nandito yung
Ay, pukin mo lang sa amin yun. Uy, tignan mo yung itlog ah, baka malaglag ah.
zigzags na yun. Ayun o, nandun na siya.
May kalsada, girl. Iba na.
Hindi kasi siya masyadong kita dito. Pero dyan na. Ayun o. Ganda talaga. Kasi dito nga kami nagpunta nung last year. Hindi kita eh. Pero okay lang basta bumili lang.
Ano pa dapat?
Kasi dyan yung daanan ng mga barko.
Tatay dagat din.
Ano yung Walter? Oy, ship, yes.
Baby's looking at this.
There's a ball of cola.
What? Baby, what's it?
Pagtapos mo may parang
Kasi ito, anong oras, ilang minuto na lang po.
You're to the beach?
Dito na yung maraming beach. Eh, dito na yung maraming beach. Yan o, banda.
Also use
Tapos maya. Don't!
and it's a random ship accident.
Taray.
R.I.P. ship. You will be missed. We will get you back on land. We will get you back on water. What's that smoke coming from?
Hindi mo daw yan siya kanan.
I don't know, Bebe. Maybe someone is doing some fire.
Something.
So-
Fire station.
Fire station? May masabi ng fire station.
Sorry. Bye. Wala na akong English vocabulary eh. Naubusan na ako.
Okay na. Diyan sa kabila.
Ipul mo siya.
There are two ship accidents.
0.5 eh. Kasi.
And hindi panic. Pangit because ship accident.
Okay na yun. They are here now. Dad is having a... Sukataman! Dad is having a swim with my brother. And that's Freya and Jenna. So we're here. They are... I booked them in right wing and we are on the left wing. Anak, be careful ah! Oy, be careful ah. Naka-swimsuit na ba siya na sa lagay na yan? Eh, bakit hindi mo siya pinalitan? Palitan mo na ah. Ay, hindi kasi nagpi-Victoria pa po siya.
Di mo.
Baka malalim pa nga. Just jump if you cannot reach. Si Jan si Louie ah.
Magbibigat tayo eh. Hindi makadaming tayo tayo, mangmangin tayo. Wala, lumalangoy na yan.
Yun, masusuwan yan. Oh.
Hoy, wag masyado. Putang ina.
Kinawa ka yung ilong niya.
Kahit na.
Oh, tama, nag-awis pa.
Hindi mo.
Kalanda mo na eh.
Ate lang, mati na makas ka. Nagalit sa
Sabihin mo
Freya.
kay John si Louie ayaw ni LA nang pinapa-jump-jump siya.
Hindi niya pinapadyang.
To water like that.
Wow, Freya! I will also do a safe exit. Okay, go.
It's nice, isn't it, baby? Huh? Is it there?
Apparently this is the beach now.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? You like it?
Beach.
You like it? Huh? Are you happy that we come? Good job. Ay, may nakaupo. May nakaupo naman na, baby.
Over it'd be better with
With? Wait whom? With whom? Huh?
paralyzed. This is the sun they have here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Let wave.
Mm-mm.
Why does this feel like? Why does this feel like going to a new island?
Guys, dito kami sa... Where are we, John?
The beach.
Sundowners.
Sundowners.
Yes.
The Sundowners Beach Resort.
Nag-ano lang kami doon. Ng...
We could have dinner
Sunset.
at the bar.
Huh?
We could have dinner at the bar.
No. We are cooking.
The bar is nice.
Yan yung bar. Infinite. Doon sila. Here.
What if I came to visit people paralyzed guy's house?
Come on. Come on. We take a photo. Got the back. Go at the back. Yan na nga. So, nandun ang... Dito sila. Sa right wing. Doon kami sa left wing. Dito muna kami tatambay kasi ayan yung water swimming pool nila. Father, swimming na! Swimming ka na rin? Oo, sana all. Hindi ako marunong lumangoy.
Ayoko din po.
Ayoko doon, takot ako. Ayan yung swimming pool na isa. Ayan, nagpapadingas ang aking brotherhood. Morning dinner. Yung swimming pool na mabigo na sila. Ah? John, you need to drink your water. Meron kwarto. Where's your slipper? Ha? Uy, where's your slipper? Naku, yung langaw. Kasama ang tatlong aso. Nagluluto na sila. O, gamitin mo yung mga tongs dito, Bude. Gamitin mo yung mga tongs. Ayan, oh. Buttered daw, buttered. Walang pusit eh. Ano dyan prito mo? Ayan, mga handa. Ano dyan prito mo? Ha? Ano dyan prito mo?
Mani.
Uwa manang. Yung kay ano pala ha?
Kay Walter?
Wow, nagidakin ng kalan.
Ano,
He started daw. I want to have a rest with the Tito Paralyzed. Manong Ariel? Siyempre. Did you enjoy swimming? Did you enjoy swimming? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. High five. Good job. Nanay. Swimming ka kumadjay na eh. Kiniginaw na daw sila.
Nagkapi kami nga sa Dilimipin.
Ay, oo nga eh. Nangangain ng tanga ko rin kanina eh.
Nagkapi kami din mo. Ikaw din mo kami.
Aking baso mo rin datoy.
Hindi naman, wala naman oh. Ay, kaya naman gugurin natin kung dyan.
Sa loob. Paano ba to? Nangangain ng tanga talaga? Uy! Ha? Kasi doon naman sa kabila na sa amin, dipindot naman siya. Kape-kape. Hindi ko alam kung nasa yung selfie stick ko yun. Natin ko gawa? Malaki yung makina kasi nun. Fortuner.
Ha?
Fortuner. Nahilo galing patay. Malaki ano yun. Malaki ang... Gasolina? Sa tangke. Tangke ng gasolina. Hindi mo guys, kung kapitan kayo. Wait lang. Ngayon, kain na tayo.
Eh, you bless the food pa.
Ay, bless the food pa.
Bless the food nila.
Ano niya po? Ay, hindi ko pa.
Ay, mama na.